Hello, Thea. Hindi ko pa naman strong suit ang biochem. Sana kayanin if ever mag-pursue ng med. Well, to be honest, coming from someone whose pre-med is also not biochemistry, biochem was also not my strong suit. In fact, I would say it was one of my weakest subjects in medical school. Ako mismo, I also did not like it, did not enjoy it. However, it is part of medical school. Kakayanin naman, my best friend is a biochem major and he says that biochem in his undergrad is vastly different than the biochem in medical school. The biochem in medical school is mostly clinically oriented, maraming clinical correlates, what kind of diseases will arise because of these biochemical abnormalities, etc. So, it's doable, kaya naman. I would say the most important tip I could share about medical school biochemistry is just stay on top of things. Don't get buried in the notes, in the details. Kailangan just always keep up with the lectures in biochem. Make sure you're not behind and everything else will follow.